Holy smoly.
Not so fast, Slovak.
Looks good, but let's start from the beginning.
Good girl, Slovak. Pirate need a supermarket. He need a milk for his coffee.
I don't know if we're gonna find anything open.
It's not the season, guys. Very nice.
Ai.
Malbun.
It's hot.
See, this road is going very far. Okay, I zoom the car. Oh. So, I am thinking about going here.
But I want to come back with the bike.
That's very easy to make video, very easy. Wow, these old Russian bikes are so light as a feather.
I see an animal. It is just so hard.
I'm really quite sure he is at home at the moment. Here, come out to play, Weasel. Snow. Oi.
Malbun, Switzerland, Liechtenstein.